Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Renault Laguna second generation 1.9 DCI. The AC compressor is located on the bottom of the engine, but first we need to remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to loosen the tensioner, and that's the tensioner right there that we need to loosen so that we can remove the belt. It's easiest done with a long ratchet so that you have more leverage to pull the tensioner so that you can remove the. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. That's it, belt is removed. Now we can start removing the AC compressor. There are three bolts that hold the AC compressor to the engine, one on the bottom of the AC compressor and two bolts on top. There's also an electrical connector for the magnetic clutch, and we need to remove also the two AC lines that connect to the AC compressor. First, we start by removing the bolts that hold the AC compressor to the engine. Next, we remove the two bolts that hold the AC line. Now that we removed the bolts for the AC lines, we can take them out. The only thing left to remove is the last bolt that holds the AC compressor to the engine. Once we remove that bolt, we can take the compressor out. And that's it, the compressor is loose. Now we can take the compressor out. Thank you for watching.